Hi guys! Today we're going to read a book called Hiccups for Elephant. It's by James Prelier and it's illustrated by Hans Wilhelm. Remember, when I say illustrator, I'm talking about the person who draws the pictures. Have you guys ever had the hiccups before and they just would not go away? Well, that is what happens to Elephant in our story. What do you think Elephant is going to do to get rid of the hiccups? What did you do to get rid of your hiccups? Let's turn to our title page and keep reading to find out, right? Yeah? All right, so remember, it's called Hiccups for Elephant. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Chimp woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Lion woke up.
I can cure those hiccups,
Lion said.
Drink lots of water very, very fast.
Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mouse woke up. What's all that noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor Elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited. Man waited. But there were no more hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said. All the animals fell back to sleep. Except for Elephant. Achoo! Ugh! Now Elephant has the sneezes. Oh my goodness. He's never gonna fall asleep for nap time. Ugh. Oh man. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this story. It's one of my favorites. I love this story, and I hope you did too. All right, bye guys.